At Extreme Janitors, we're on the move to make a difference. Today, our team is headed to St. Vincent de Paul of Alameda County, bringing our top-notch pressure washing service to transform their outdoor spaces. With powerful equipment and expert techniques, we clean every inch of pavement from corner to corner, ensuring a safe and spotless environment for all. From commercial properties to community spaces, Extreme Janitors is your trusted partner for thorough, reliable cleaning. Together, we're creating cleaner, brighter spaces one job at a time.